picture of me.
Mommy took a picture of you?
Yeah.
Oh, look at you have the big boots on. Those are they come up about.
I rather see them like this.
Yeah.
Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Yeah.
What was that? You were singing head and shoulders, knees and toes? Let's see.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Cheese. Cheese. That's a good thing.
Let's see. I just want to look at the snow outside. Oh boy. It's really coming down, isn't it? Car's starting to get burned. All right. Well, what are you getting ready to do, Joshua? What were you gonna do?
How do you do it?
How do I do what?
The flowers.
The flowers.
Yeah.
No, what are you doing there in the boots?
I'm tired myself.
Where are you gonna go? Did you catch some snow? This is the blizzard of 2011. Can you say that? The blizzard? Can you say blizzard?
Blizzard of 2011.
Yeah, all right. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye.